Hey guys, and welcome to WordsAtScale. So I decided to record this video because I did this little experiment with YouTube automation, and I'm one of those YouTubers, I guess, who will share the good, the ugly, and everything in between. So this is an experiment that I think was not up to my expectations, but I will show you the whole lot, the results, how much it cost me, and you can be the judge. So it all started with one of my test websites, which is called Signs and Clues. And this is the website that is currently being given away by me. This site, I think, has very good potential. It's in the spiritual meaning of names niche. And I thought it would be perfect for YouTube automation because this website is kind of losing traffic. And I just wanted to boost it up, I guess, with diversifying my sources of traffic and using the video first approach or video complementary approach. And I did a lot of research and compared a lot of tools. And the tool that I liked the most, at least on paper, was the autoshorts.ai for the sole reason of it being a complete solution. So you only need to insert one prompt. You connect this tool to your YouTube channel, you schedule it out, and you forget about it entirely. And so this is what the tool looks like. So it does create pretty impressive shorts. The way it works is you only need to pick a topic, and then the tool actually can follow the topic itself, so you don't even have to use a complex prompt like I did. You can just say, for example, your topic is zombies or whatever, and it will create YouTube shorts daily on this very topic. Then you can preview video. There is very limited functionality in terms of editing. You can't really edit the video itself. You can change the voice, you can change the captions, but that's pretty much it. And the pricing is pretty generous, so you can test it out for free. I'm not an affiliate for this tool, so I won't be leaving any links. But if you wanted to post 3 times a week for one series, so one topic, like zombies, for example, would be one series. If you wanted 2 series, it would be $38 per month. And then this is what I ended up with. So $39 per month because I wanted to post daily. And for the majority of May, I did post daily. And this is what my dashboard looks like. This is the video that I did, one of the last ones. Let me play this for you.
Have you ever wondered about the spiritual depths of the name Hannah? Rooted in Hebrew origin, Hannah means grace or favor. This name carries a profound spiritual significance, often associated with divine grace and mercy. In biblical context, Hannah was the mother of Samuel, revered for her devout faith and heartfelt prayers, embodying resilience and devotion. Culturally, Hannah symbolizes a gentle yet strong spirit, filled with compassion and empathy. Those named Hannah are believed to possess a nurturing character, often guiding others with their kindness. Their life path often leads them towards roles of support and stewardship, reflecting their namesake's grace. For more insights, visit signsandclues.com.
And this is 45 seconds long. It's nothing spectacular, but I think it does the job. And the script is pretty engaging. And I have cancelled my subscription since, but if you could go here, edit the prompt, you would see my initial prompt. And this is the YouTube channel that is connected. Video duration is between 30 and 60 seconds. The voice is Nova. And these are my past videos. So you can see lots of videos. So now let's look at the results, and they were promising at the start. So let's go to my YouTube channel. As you can see, let me switch to maybe, let's make this custom, say from May 1st to May 11th. These were the results. I got plus 12 subscribers, which is pretty good, and I've got 1,600 views. Watch hours was going up, but then something happened, and I just started getting less and less views, and then it stopped completely. And if you look at my actual shorts, again, this is 100% automated. I would get semi-viral. I know this is not viral by any means, but I'm just looking at the averages. So on average, I would get like 70, 80, and then I would get 400, 400, 300, 400, a couple 400 ones, and that kept getting better and better, and then something happened once again. I got 200, 170, and then 3, 4, 4, 1, and the last one I did was on the 27th of May, and I only got 1 view. So I have no idea what happened. I did not change the script. As far as I can tell, the shorts were pretty good. Maybe YouTube somehow figured out what I was doing. And one of the things that I wanted to do, let me go to the channel itself. The whole reason for this was to boost traffic. Since I was a newer channel, I could not use links in the description of my videos. But I did insert the website here, and what I wanted to test is whether I would get any traffic, any video traffic at all. So let's head over to Analytics, Traffic Acquisition. Then let me switch to Source and Medium. And as you can see, there is no video/YouTube traffic whatsoever. So I've gotten some traffic from Bing, some direct traffic, a little bit of organic traffic due to some of the posts ranking currently, but no video traffic at all. So this is it. I still like the concept of this tool, I guess, what it promises. Maybe I was completely wrong with the niche. And with this tool, you can test out different niches, and this is pretty inexpensive to do. So let me go back. I got 25 subscribers. I spent $39. So 39 divided by 25. So one subscriber cost me just over $1.50. And this is expensive. You see, if I wanted 1,000 subscribers, which you do, this would be $1,500. So pretty expensive as far as subscriber acquisition, but nonetheless a pretty good tool. Didn't work for me, and since I ran this experiment for you guys, I wanted to share it. Before I go, don't forget that I'm giving away my custom prompts, my private prompts. All you have to do is follow the link in the description and get access to this amazing ChatGPT prompts library as well as my newsletter. That's it. I love you guys, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.